Hello, my name is John Cannizzo, and I made a Rube Goldberg machine for my Intro to Engineering class. The goal of the machine is to make the ball lead to the knocking over of jenga blocks used as dominoes. My construction uses the 6 simple machines: a pulley, lever, inclined plane, screw, wheeler axle, and a wedge. The system is initiated by a pulley in the form of a small rope, which is connected to a lever in the form of a mini foosball table's handle, giving us 2 simple machines already. Pulling the rope will allow the ball to begin its motion down the inclined plane, which is the mini foosball table itself as inclined by 2 books. After rolling through a cardboard tube, it comes to a ramp inclined slightly upwards that uses jenga blocks as a railing system to keep the ball on track. The ball then falls into a funnel, which is an example of a screw, because a funnel is wrapped around a cylindrical plane like a screw. A launcher, which isn't in any way an example of a simple machine, is then initiated by the ball once it falls through the funnel. The launcher launches a Hot Wheels toy car, an example of a wheeler axle, on a track. Finally, the launched car reaches the wedge that separates this track from a set of jenga dominoes, knocking them over with its speed as intended. At this point, we have used all 6 of the simple machines. Now we can see this Rube Goldberg machine working in uncut action. After nearly 2 weeks of thinking and testing to see how to fix problems, I finally got my project to work more consistently, as seen here.
What? There was...
However, for those 2 weeks of work, my Rube Goldberg machine ended up taking 3 seconds and 20 frames, which is 3.66 seconds of footage, to knock down the last domino after my tug of the pulley.